Can you believe influencers like these are making tens of thousands of dollars a month on social media? And they're not even real? And the wild part is, you can create realistic, consistent influencers just like this, completely for free. No expensive cameras, no fancy phones, not even real people. All it really takes is a bit of time and effort. It all starts with one image. This image is going to be the reference for other images you create, so it's very important. The key to keeping your influencer consistent is generating a close-up shot, either a full-body image or an upper-body shot with clear facial features. If you're not sure how to describe your influencer, this is where Chatgpt comes in. You can use it to help write a detailed prompt. Once you've got your prompt ready, head over to Grok's website and click Imagine in the sidebar. Go here and select Image and your desired aspect ratio. Then paste your prompt in the box and click the arrow button. You'll get a bunch of images, and even more if you scroll down. Pick one you like and click on it. Now you can create more images of your influencer in different settings and doing different things. For example, I made images of mine drinking coffee, reading a book, just every day, natural moments. Enter your prompt and make sure you're in edit image mode. Click the button and 2 images are generated. Now, if you want a consistent background, like in these shots of her in the kitchen, you'll notice something important. The kitchen keeps changing between images, and that's because I was using the original image of her as the reference every time. To fix this, you need to use the image that has the background you want to keep. Just click on that image, make sure it's selected as the reference, then submit your prompt. That way, both the character and the background stay consistent. Once you've generated all your images, download them, because now it's time to turn them into videos. Head back to Imagine in the sidebar. Make sure video is selected, then upload your image. Now enter your prompt. I'll just type, "She scrolls through her phone, then smile at the camera." The camera is static. If you don't like the result, no problem. Just tweak your prompt if necessary and generate the video again. Most of the time, your video will include some kind of sound, music, talking, or sound effects. If you want it silent, add something like no background music, no talking, no sound to your prompt. But if you do want dialogue, just include it directly in your prompt in quotation marks, like this. Instead of generating videos with dialogue, I'm going to add a voiceover, and for that, I'm using Google AI Studio. It's free. Just click Playground in the sidebar, then choose Text-to-Speech. Choose the model you want to use. On the right side, select Single Speaker Audio and pick a voice you like. Drop your script into the box, and if you want, you can change the style instructions too. Click Run. Once it's done, you can preview the audio right here, then download it from here. Dancing meme videos are huge on social media, and you can make one for your influencer using a free tool called Viggle. These are the pricing plans, and the free tier gives you 5 videos per day. You'll need to create an account first so you can upload images or videos. On the homepage, click Upload and add your image. You can use the default video it gives you, delete it, and choose one from the library, or upload your own video. I'm going to grab one from the library. If you choose Swap Character in A, it'll keep the background from the video reference. The other option uses the background from your image instead. Once you are ready, click Mix to submit it. It usually takes about 15 minutes to generate, and the final video will include a watermark. Here's the result, and it works. It includes background music, which I muted since I'm not sure about the copyright. It also added a subtle shaking effect that I couldn't turn off. Overall, it does the job, but I'll be honest, the quality isn't great. That said, it might be better for paid users. Another option is the motion control tool in Dzine. It's not free, but the results are better. I started by creating a 9x16 project, then went to motion control in the sidebar. From there, you can use Kling or Wand to generate your video. There's no built-in library of dance videos, so you'll need to find your own clips from places like TikTok or Instagram, and I recommend giving credit to the original creator. I uploaded my assets here. You can enter a prompt, but I'm skipping that. You can also set the character orientation to match the image or the video. There's an option to enable sound, but that costs extra credits, so I'm leaving it off. I'll go with 720p quality, and here's the result. I like it, and you can clearly see how much better it is than the Viggle video. It also added the music from the reference clip, even though I disabled sound. Now, I'm using Capcut to edit the clips and make the final video. It's also free to use. Here's my project with all the clips uploaded and arranged to match the voiceover. I'll switch the aspect ratio to 9x16. I don't want any audio from the clips, so I'll mute the entire track. Once you're done editing, export your video. And that's it. Let's check out my influencer's morning routine.
Good morning. I'm definitely not a morning person, but I try to start slow and give myself a few minutes before doing anything. First thing I do is wash my face and keep my skincare really simple. Nothing fancy, just something that wakes me up and makes my skin feel clean. I like to move a little in the morning, even if it's just a few stretches or some light yoga. It helps me feel grounded before the day starts. Then it's coffee. Always coffee. I usually keep breakfast light. Fruit, something easy, just enough to feel good and not rushed. I'll check my phone real quick, reply to messages, see what I missed overnight, and then try not to scroll too long. And that's basically it. Grab my jacket, head out, and start the day. Simple mornings make everything else feel easier.
Now you know how to create consistent AI influencers using only free AI tools. You can start posting short-form content on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, build a following, and then monetize it. Add revenue, your own merch, affiliate links. There are a lot of options. If you want a full video breaking down the monetization side, let me know in the comments. If you're serious about creating realistic AI influencers, I'd start now. You never know how long these tools are going to stay free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.